Introducing the Apple Vision Pro, a game changer in the world of technology. Picture having an endless canvas where you can organize your favorite apps and make them just the right size for you. It's like having your very own personalized workspace that fits your needs perfectly. And the best part? You can do all of this with the Apple Vision Pro. One of the coolest things about it is the advanced eye tracking system. It's so precise that you don't even need a controller to interact with it. You can effortlessly switch between tasks, like browsing the web, taking notes, and chatting with friends in messages. And you can do it all while staying connected to everything happening around you. But wait, there's more. The Vision Pro can transform any room into your own private theater. It's packed with the latest technology, like a micro OLED display that has an incredible 23 million pixels. That means you get stunning colors and picture quality. You can even make movies, shows, and games bigger and better thanks to the spatial audio feature. It's like you're right in the middle of the action. And let's not forget about the mind-blowing 3D camera. It's the first of its kind from Apple, with high-resolution cameras capturing over 1 billion pixels per second. You'll see things like never before. You can relive your most special moments with spatial photos and videos. And the immersive spatial audio will make you feel like you're right back in those memories. Plus, you can collaborate effortlessly with friends and colleagues using the life-size FaceTime video tiles and integrated apps for editing documents together. All of this is possible thanks to the Vision Pro's dual-chip design. It has the powerful M2 chip for advanced graphics and smooth performance. And there's a dedicated R1 chip that takes care of all the camera, sensor, and microphone processing. So, what do you think? Are you ready to step up into the future of technology? If you are, then the Apple Vision Pro is already waiting for you. SwitchBot. With SwitchBot, you can transform your old appliances into something extraordinary in just a matter of seconds. Gone are the days of complicated installations and tedious setups. SwitchBot is designed to be effortlessly installed with no tools required. Simply attach your bot to any button or switch using the included tape. And voila! You just upgraded your appliance to a smart device. Thanks to the clever add-on included in the packaging, you can now control rocker switches from both directions. It means you can easily push or pull your on and off switches with just one SwitchBot bot. Also, you can schedule your devices to be automated according to your desired timings. Whether it's your coffee machine, air conditioner, or garage door, SwitchBot is compatible with them all. With this incredible device, you can transform your entire home into a smart haven. Wolfbox G890. Meet the Wolfbox G890, the ultimate 3-channel mirror dashcam that will upgrade your driving experience. Covering every angle of your car, the G890 captures footage from the front, inside, and rear, eliminating blind spots and providing comprehensive security. Recording at an impressive 2K plus 1080p plus 1080p 30fps resolution, this dashcam ensures exceptional image quality. With dual recording modes, it even achieves a stunning 4K plus 1080p resolution, capturing every detail on the road with astonishing clarity. Drive confidently at night thanks to the G890's enhanced night vision capabilities. Equipped with IR LEDs, a Sony sensor, and advanced WDR and HDR technologies, this dashcam surpasses average night vision capabilities. But the G890 offers more than just superior recording. It features 3 intelligent parking surveillance modes, including motion detection to capture any movement around your parked vehicle. In case of an impact, the collision detection feature automatically saves the footage as essential evidence. With efficient storage usage and support for up to a massive 512GB memory card, the G890 ensures you never miss a moment. JBL Tour Pro 2. Escape into a realm of pure audio bliss with the JBL Tour Pro 2. With a cutting-edge feature that utilizes 4 noise-sensing microphones to adjust to your surroundings in real time, you can enjoy an unparalleled audio experience. With years of extensive research and testing, JBL has produced a sound curve that is second to none. No matter what genre of music you love or the volume you prefer, the JBL Tour Pro 2 delivers precise, accurate audio with minimal distortion. Also, the JBL Tour Pro 2 brings convenience to a whole new level with its unique smart charging case. Just imagine controlling your earbud settings, managing calls and playback, adjusting audio settings, and even setting your alarm, all without taking out your phone or launching any apps. This innovative case puts the power in your hands, quite literally. Oh, and there's also the exhilarating 6-mic crystal call algorithm that ensures your conversations are crystal clear, even in noisy or windy environments. Need a helping hand? Your preferred voice assistant is just a voice command away, thanks to the JBL Tour Pro 2's voice control feature. And with VoiceAware, you have the freedom to adjust the level of mic input routed back into your earbuds, so you can find that perfect balance between your own voice and the outside world. Ring Always Home Drone Camera. Welcome to the future of home surveillance. Now you can effortlessly monitor your home from any location at any time and from every angle. Unlike traditional static cameras, the Ring Always Home Cam is a dynamic drone camera that gracefully navigates your home while you're away. With advanced navigation sensors, it ensures safe and precise flights, providing you with a flexible viewpoint. Capture every detail in stunning high definition with a resolution of 1440 by 1440. The wide 120-degree field of view covers both horizontal and vertical angles, leaving no corner unnoticed. Plus, worry not about power, as the drone camera boasts a built-in rechargeable battery. Simply place it on the included charging dock, which conveniently doubles as a 120-volt to 220-volt USB-C power adapter. Connectivity is seamless with dual-band Wi-Fi support, allowing the drone camera to effortlessly connect to both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. Also, privacy is a top priority, as the Always Home Cam remains inactive and fully blocked when docked, ensuring your privacy at all times.